Hey, my name is Jacoby George. I'm from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I play wide receiver, and I'm headed to the U.
My name is Malik Curtis. I'm from Harlem Heights, aka Fort Myers, Florida. I play cornerback, and I can't wait to come to the U to turn up the next 4 years.
This is Mclaughlin, offensive lineman from Parkland, Florida. I'm headed to the U.
What's up, Miami? Ryan Rodriguez here. I'm from Miami, Florida. I'm an offensive lineman, and I'm headed to the U. I want to say a special thank you to Christopher Columbus High School for a great 4 years. I'm ready to start a new journey at the University of Miami and bring back that old culture. Go Canes.
What's up, Canes fan? It's Thaddeus. I'm from West Park. I play running back, and I'm headed to the U.
What up, gang? My name is Leonard Taylor. I'm from Miami, Florida. I play for Edgewater High School, and I'm headed to the U, man. Let's go, Canes.
I'm Chase Smith from Palm Bay, Florida. I play striker, and I'm headed to the University of Miami. Go Canes.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Alan Hay, D-Talk out of North Lauderdale, Brown County, Florida, and I'm headed to the U.
Cameron Kitchens from Miami, Florida. Play free safety. Walk it on for another city when you can put on for yours. Go Canes.
What's up, Canes family? It's Romello Brinson, 4-star from Miami Northwestern. I'm from Opelika, Florida. First, I would like to give God all the glory. I want to thank my family. And I will be signing to the University of Miami.
Canes fans, your boy Khalil Brownlee from Opelika, Florida. I play tight end, and I'd like to give a big shout out to my family, my coaches, and my teammates. And with that being said, I'm headed to the U.
Go Canes!
What's up, y'all? My name's Elijah Arroyo, tight end from Frisco, Texas, and I'm coming back home to Miami.
What it do, Canes fam? It's Andres Borregales. A lot of you recognize that last name because of my brother. Raised in Miami, Florida. I'm a kicker. I'm headed to the crib.
What's going on, everybody? It's Lawrence Seymour from Miami, Florida. Left guard. I'm coming to the U. Go Canes.
Smith. I'm from Richmond Heights, and I play slot receiver. I'm proud to be headed to the U.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Canes fan, this is James Williams, safety from American Head High School in Plantation. I grew up in Miami, and this is my hometown. I can't wait to put on for the U.